Hello everyone, especially sa ating mga guro or sa mga science teachers particularly, hindi ka pa ba nag-sign up sa National Science Club Month Webinar Series 2021? So ito yung video tutorial kung paano natin ma-access dito sa ating Professional Development LMS. So the first thing to do is punta kayo sa inyong browser. Any browser will do. So sa akin, I will choose Google Chrome. So you type training.deped.gov.ph. Then, eto na yung lalabas. So, training system for teaching and non-teaching personnel. So, if this is your first time here, lalong-lalo na sa mga bago pa lang sa DepEd or hindi pa or wala pang hindi pa naka-access sa PDLMS, so you will create new account. Pero pag meron na kayong existing account, so you will type your username as well as your password. So I suggest if sana you click this remember username para sa susunod hindi na kayo kapag nakalimutan niyo yung password niyo, it will automatically parang pag-click niyo lalabas na dito. Okay? In some cases naman, kapag nakalimutan nyo, so you've forgotten your username or your password, so you'll click this one, so below the login button. So, in my case, I have already my training.deped.gov the PDLMS username, so I will just type it here. Yung ginamit ko na username pala is my email. Kasi mas prefer or preferably pag meron kayong email, pag gagamit kayo ng PDLMS, mas prefer na gamitin nyo yung DepEd email nyo. So, my password, you will now click remember username, then you log in. Okay, so ito na, nandito na ako sa loob ng PDLMS. So, yan, you can see my name already. So, dito nyo makikita yung mga recently accessed courses nyo. So, yung kakatapos lang natin na virtual inset. So, yeah, lalabas din dyan. So, just click here sa may, parang may bahay. Okay, then, I will go to, saan nga iyon? Webinar Series 2021. So click this one, Webinar Series 2021, National Science Club Month Webinar Series 2021. So ito na. So we will now, wala ba itong enrollment? Okay, so we'll now click it here. National Science Club Month Webinar Series. So, enrollment options. So, enroll me. Okay. So, no enrollment key required. So, just click enroll me here. I'm now enrolled in the course. So, okay. So, makita nyo dito, session 1 to session 2, session 3, session 4. Okay, until session 4 lang pala. So, this is the National Science Club Month webinar is every Friday, every Saturday. So from September 4 to September 25, 2021. And that's it. Congratulations, you are now enrolled in the National Science Club Month Webinar Series 2021.